Hi! In this short video, we're introducing a new section in the form controls, widgets and components. And to get started, we'll take a look at one of the most interesting features, the interactive map widget. This control allows you to add a fully interactive map to your form, where you can display your business location and define the area where you offer your services. For example, if you only operate within a specific city, region, or country. What makes it especially useful is that users can interact directly with the map. They can select their location or the place where they need the service, and the address field will be filled in automatically. The result is a smoother, more visual experience for your users. It helps them quickly identify your service area and reduces the need to manually enter their address.